Hello, this is Miss Todd, and this is how you would get to your assignments. So you would make sure you're in your teacher's teams, whether it's Miss Taylor, Miss Davis, Miss McGarity, Miss McKinney, or Mr. Ross. Make sure you're in their teams. They're general, and then you would go to the assignments tab. Now you could click on the assignment and it would say inclement weather assignment. You click on that, and on your student view it's going to show up like this. And so you will then click on the assignment, and I'm going to show you two ways. You can download it this way, and you'll see it come up here. And you would go down to the yellow folder. Okay, you find the yellow folder, and you would go under today because it would download as today. And when you click on it, it will open up in Word. And if this comes up, enable editing, you just click on that. And that is all. Also, if it comes up, and you can do this for a Word document or a PDF, you also can open it in Word, and it would open in Word. And if it opens in Word, you would click on File, Save a Copy, click Save, and then once again you could just go back to your yellow folder, and it will come up under today's date. And you just click on it and it will open up. And that is how you would get your assignment for the inclement weather. Thank you.